Machine learning is broadly categorized into three approaches: supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised. While supervised learning could be understood as learning by examples. Imagine a child going to kindergarten. The teacher shows the child some objects and their associated labels. The child learns the patterns, the distributions, the characteristics such as say for example for orange, apple, the different shape, texture, color. The child associates these characteristics with the label and tries to label the unseen objects at a later point. The child receives feedback from the teacher upon making a mistake. In unsupervised learning, there is no associated label. You learn the distribution based on the similar characteristics, but the results are highly uncertain as there are no associated true labels. Imagine that you are a student going to college where you associate with different peoples, making friends with some of them, whereas not interacting much or not making friends with others. You make friends based on the similar interests, based on the characteristics, based on certain likes and dislikes between the individuals. No one has ever told you who to be friends with, who not to be friends with in a college. That is an example of unsupervised learning. Whereas semi-supervised learning sits in between. It has a very small subset of labeled data. However, that data is insufficient to carry out supervised learning, as the learned distributions based on the true labels would be insufficient to generalize over the whole. So what we do instead? We try to learn the characteristics of similar features between associated objects and group them. Then based on the intuition that nearby objects in the input space would have the same labels, we label the rest of the objects depending on the associated label of few of them. Hope you have a better understanding between the supervised, semi-supervised and unsupervised learning. Keep learning, stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.